Hello, Mr. Kennedy. I have got your watch here, which you hunted down. Looking over it, I don't have this exact model. I do actually have a couple of a very similar variant. Even uses the same crystal. Okay. Speaking of crystals, you sent us your crystal, your genuine Seiko one, which is great. These are hard to find. I happen to have one, but you sent yours, and that's good. Inside of the case back is dirty. You've got dust and corrosion, like surface corrosion around in the inside of the case. It's on top of the old gasket there. Well, the weight is aligned properly. See that hole and this hole? They're supposed to go over each other. That shows that it's correct. Yeah, it's just dirty. Boy, I can see all the little filthy things everywhere. I mean, the movement itself is okay. Winding weight is a little loose. See, it's starting to grind on the main plate right there and right there. It's not bad, but we might look at replacing that because these kind of loosen up a little bit. Balance looks good. Definitely a runner. There's gonna be some corrosion remediation. I'm gonna have to go in there and do that. Case doesn't look. It is always real fun getting these gaskets out. Come on, out. Out in pieces. Ugh. I just want to get the movement out because I want to blow out all this dust. There is your movement. It's just surface corrosion. I'm not seeing anything. I mean, I'm going to have to clean it up. There's going to have to be some corrosion remediation, but I don't see anything super gnarly. Your dial and hands are excellent. I don't know what that mark is on that hand there, but look at the brightness. They're a little hazy, but we can clean that up. Okay, I blew that out. It would help if I had the case around the right way. No, I think that's a healthy movement. I mean, it's really dirty, but it's healthy. The only thing then I think that I'm seeing right now is the winding weight. Because it's just a little loose. I mean, this one would work, but if we replace it, it'll just be one thing you won't have to think about anymore. At least not quite for some time. These are such great movements. Put that back in there. It looks pretty straightforward to me. And you provided a crystal. So we have a crystal. Your cannon feels good. Day-Date quick sets work. No, I think it'll be straightforward. Straightforward. Look at the crazing. Look at the crazing on that old crystal. You'll get that back and you'll be able to play with it. That'll be fun. I think it's straightforward. Servicing, case rebuild with new gaskets, new crystal. That ought to do it. Straight up. Okay, let me know if you've got any questions.